Welcome to Cine Tech. Today we're looking at the Lefant M210, a slim robot vacuum designed for everyday cleaning on hard floors, especially if you have pets. Check the link in the description for the best price. Its key selling points include a low profile for getting under furniture, quiet operation, and app control for scheduling your cleanings. Let's see how the Lefant M210 performs in everyday scenarios. Its slim body is a key advantage, allowing it to reach under furniture where taller robots might struggle. On hard floors, it performs well, effectively picking up daily dust and pet hair. The quieter operation makes it convenient for use in smaller homes or during the day. Navigation is simpler than more advanced models, so expect less precise mapping and pathfinding. The Lefant M210 is designed for daily hard floor cleaning and reaches under furniture well, though its navigation is less sophisticated than premium models. We assessed the Lefant M210's value for money in different areas. It remains a popular choice for those seeking an accessible entry-level robot vacuum. For light daily pet hair maintenance, this robot offers good value. Its slim profile is a genuine asset for improving cleanliness in tighter apartment living spaces. While still offering decent value, keep in mind that newer budget models are continuously entering the market. The M210 provides great budget value, especially for apartments and light pet hair, although newer competitors are becoming more common. We look at potential risks and common complaints for the Lefant M210. It doesn't include the advanced mapping and automation found in newer, premium robot vacuums. This robot is not the best choice for homes with heavy carpeting or deep embedded debris. Like many simpler robots, it works best when the floor is kept reasonably tidy. Lefant is a known budget brand, and while support is available, it may not match premium levels. Buyer risks involve its simpler features, less effective carpet cleaning, and the necessity of maintaining a clear floor space. The Lefant M210 remains a solid slim budget robot for hard floor homes, with its main strengths being simplicity, quiet operation, and low-profile access. It's a proven budget-friendly robot that still makes sense for small, simple spaces, offering dependable hard floor maintenance. This makes it a recommended choice for apartment users and hard floor households seeking an affordable cleaning solution.